Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see here, I have a new item that I just purchased. I did want to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. I recently uploaded my entire luxury handbag collection. It features all of my designer bags. I was very shocked to find out the total number of designer handbags that I own. I think it's time to downsize. If you haven't already seen that video, pull that video up from there. I will also try and link it for you down below. One of the requested videos I got in the comments was to do a video that showcased all of my non-designer handbag goods. Now, Parisa Wang is a brand that some of you may or may not consider designer. Because the price bracket fell well below $500 and I was able to score this item on sale, I did want to go ahead and feature it for you here. I will link the Parisa Wang website down below for you guys, but if you go on their website and you go to the About Me section, you'll learn that after being unable to find a designer handbag with a contemporary spin for under $1,000 at Barney's in 2016, she decided to shake things up. So she partnered directly with some of the best manufacturers around the world, and the results were products that are an absolute dream, featuring essential design, premium quality, unbeatable prices, and upcycled production practices. To Parisa Wang, the handbags represent so much more than accessories. They're a reflection of the extraordinary moments, adventures, and dreams that shape our journey. So rooted in the celebration of women, their power, and their drive, they have created a brand that speaks to women buying handbags for themselves and revolves around empowerment. Each Parisa Wang bag is created to celebrate the story you carry, because it's not just about the bag you hold, but the life you lead. So I really love their mission, and I think it's so beautifully stated. A female-owned brand that is all about empowering other women. And from what I've read and heard and seen online, the design and the aesthetic, as well as the quality of the bag, is amazing. The value is really superb. I mean, you see some of the bags on their website, and to know that they go for the prices that they go, it's unheard of. So they do have sales available. So you have the 20% off option. And I mean, look at these handbags and their prices. These are so beautiful. It kind of gives me Hermes vibes, maybe some Celine vibes in here too. I mean, this bag is beautiful and it's on sale for $329. You really can't go wrong. If you haven't already, I would highly recommend just checking out their website, and hopefully today's review and unboxing will give you a better sense and idea of whether Parisa Wang is the brand for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Shipping was pretty quick. I received the item within a week of ordering it. I would even say less. The item does come in this beautiful canvas bag that says Parisa Wang, New York, Parisa Wang, New York. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. I thought this canvas bag is so cute. It's such a useful and practical bag. It does have this little tie strap here where you can cinch the waist of the bag for added security. And if you wanted, you can cinch the bag like so. So if you were using this to run errands or out and about in New York City, you want a little more security, you don't want your things kind of flying out the top, you can cinch the top so that it stays in place. But let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Ta-da! This is the unlocked top handle bag, the Eve, and it is currently 20% off. It retails for $325, but it is currently on sale for $289, which I think is a steal for the quality and craftsmanship of this bag. Now, while I'm unboxing it with you guys, I did previously open it just to get a quick glimpse of the bag and see if I liked the color. This is a color that is very in, or going to be very in, for fall. So I was really excited to give this a try. While I do have quite a bit of luxury items and designer handbags in my collection, I don't yet own an Hermes. So I wanted to see if this bag would work for me before taking the Hermes journey plunge. By the way, if you do own an Hermes, please comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. I know it's a very exclusive brand. It's very hard to get your hands on an Hermes, which kind of makes it a little frustrating for me. I don't know if I buy into all of that. That whole exclusivity and having to play the game, it's a little immature and ridiculous in my own personal opinion, but I would love to hear your thoughts. If there really is a method to their madness and you can justify the reasons that they play these little manipulative games of having to purchase a certain amount of items and play nice with the essays. I mean, money is money, right? My money is just as green as yours. Why do I have to play this ridiculous game to purchase a very expensive handbag? Isn't the fact that I'm already willing to give you tons of money, I mean thousands of dollars, we're not talking about a $300 bag. These Hermes bags are thousands of dollars. So isn't the fact that I'm willing to give you my money enough to justify giving it to me? I don't know. Some people are true Hermes lovers. I do love some of the items that they make. I do own a couple of Hermes pieces, not handbags. I own a pair of Hermes sandals, the Oura sandals, and I own a click-clack bracelet. But outside of that, I don't own any other Hermes pieces. I've been thinking about incorporating more into my collection, and I have been kind of looking at the Hermes bags that are on their website. There's a couple, very, very few, that are available for purchase, and they do have some small leather goods, like their coin pouch and a couple of other small leather pieces available for purchase online, but I haven't quite taken the plunge. I really liked the Parisa Wang brand. You can see the leather here is just really supple and the craftsmanship is beautiful. This is a calfskin leather bag, and let's go ahead and take this off. Look at the detail there. So it does say Parisa Wang, and the sticker is just about to come off there. I'm not going to peel it off just yet. And the opening is a clip, right? So you have a little bit of extra security. You don't have to worry about the bag kind of flopping around. It does come with a crossbody strap. Everything is very nicely wrapped and protected so it doesn't scratch the bag or ruin it. It does have an inside pocket here, no zipper. And it's pretty ample. I mean, there's ample space in here. You can fit quite a lot. And let me know if you guys would like me to film a what's in my bag next to see what fits in this item. I like that it has the secure closure. It's not cooperating now, but I know that's because the bag isn't really full. A little finicky there. Okay. I like that it has a top handle option, but also a crossbody option. It gives it a very classy look, very chic. I think I'll wear it as a top handle. And it does have a really nice size back pocket. You can get in and out of this very easily. It does have a magnetic button closure, so it snaps back. You have the Parisa Wang sign there in the back. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a beautiful bag. It's a nice kind of starter piece to see if an Hermes would work for you, just the style of it and the top handle option. So I think that there is a lot of value for what you're getting, a lot of bang for your buck. And you have the feet here. These do come with a protected gummy here to keep these from scratching, which is very thoughtful, very nice. I like that they thought of everything here. It's packaged very nicely, and I love this canvas bag that it comes with. Let me know, would you guys purchase this bag? What do you think? Again, I paid $289, so this was well under $500. I think that this is a steal for the quality and craftsmanship that you're getting. It's a beautiful bag. It's pretty understated for the most part. It just has the Parisa Wang there and then in the back, but outside of that, you don't have any labels or monograms screaming anything. Very quiet luxury, chic, sophisticated, classy. You can take this from day to night because of the size. It's on the smaller size. I don't know if they come in multiple sizes. They do come in multiple fabric types or leather types. There's the Eve, the Epsom, and the Pebble. So on the website, this is it here. So traditional retail, they're comparing what the cost of this bag might be in a traditional retail setting. And these are the colors that they have. So they have this nice, beautiful caramel. This is the color that I purchased this bag in. And see here, it's the same manufacturer as Chloe, Mulberry, and The Row. So you're getting essentially almost the same bag, right? It's the same manufacturer as Chloe, Mulberry, and The Row, but for a fraction of the price. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be posting some mod shots on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Girlgonelux. And if you haven't already heard, if you help me get to a total of 1,000 YouTube subscribers by the end of September 2023, you will be voting on my next handbag purchase, and I'm really looking forward to this. I'm halfway there. I'm really, really excited. I would love to incorporate a new handbag in my collection. So please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share the information with your friends. You must be an Instagram follower because I will be taking votes on my handbag purchase on Instagram. So not only would I recommend that you subscribe and give me that thumbs up, but also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Girlgonelux. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.